Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Enka Yang and my metric number is 196105. This video is presented for the first lab report of the Introduction to Atmospheric Science. In this video, I will discuss about the weather in 5 cities which are Kuala Lumpur, Jakarta, Seattle, Tokyo, and London. First of all, there is no recorded precipitation in all of the cities except the Seattle, which recorded 1.27 millimeter of precipitation during the 22nd of October and the 24th of October. Is 2.79 millimeters at the 24th of October. For the other countries, there are no precipitation within this period. For the temperature, you can observe that the Kuala Lumpur and the Jakarta has the highest temperatures among the countries. The green represent the Tokyo, the orange is represent the London, and the yellow is representing the Seattle. So for Kuala Lumpur and Jakarta, their temperature is roughly about from 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. And among these 3 countries, which are Tokyo, London, and Seattle, Tokyo has the highest temperature among these 3 countries, followed by the London, and the last is Seattle. So, the weather is different from each cities. For example, the Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and Jakarta, Indonesia, they are the Southeast Asian countries. They are located at the equator. Whereas Seattle, Tokyo, and London, they are located in the Northern Hemisphere. For Kuala Lumpur, the temperature ranges from 27.21 degrees Celsius to 28.96 degrees Celsius, whereas for the Jakarta, it ranges from 27 degrees Celsius to 29.7 degrees Celsius. The temperature in both countries are highly similar because both countries are located in the equator, which they receive large amounts of sunlight every day throughout the year. The weather in the equator is hot and rainy. However, there is no precipitation recorded or observed during the period. Among the countries in the Northern Hemisphere, Tokyo, Seattle, and London, Tokyo has the highest weekly temperature among them all. As you can observe this green line over here, its temperature was almost the same for the week. As you can see, from 21st is starting from here and 27 is here. Although it fluctuates a bit throughout the week, but weekly in terms of weight is constant. But why does Tokyo has the highest temperature among these 3 countries? Because Tokyo is a very crowded and a metropolitan. The heat island effects in the city may result in the almost constant temperature during the fall season compared to London and Seattle, because now is the fall season in the Northern Hemisphere. For London and Seattle, London is a larger and crowded city compared to Seattle. So, and moreover that, both countries are connected to the river mouth. However, at the 21st of October, their difference of temperature are quite big, but until the 27th of October, the temperature for both cities were close to each other. Thank you for your attention.